Let's create one more tutorial in FreeCAD. In this video, you'll learn to use the Revolve, polar pattern, and Pocket. So open the FreeCAD and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. And the first thing that we'll make, we'll create a center line here with 37 millimeters. And we will create this line here and this one. The angle between these two lines here, 45 degrees. The distance here, 5 millimeters. And the length of this line, 20.5 millimeters. So go to create a sketch and select the front plane. Select the polyline. Click here in this point, make this sketch. And go to dimensions. The distance here, 37 millimeters. The angle here, 45 degrees. The distance here, 5 millimeters. And the length here is 20.5 millimeters. Now we will create this line here, these three lines. And this line here has 3 millimeters of length, and the distance between this line here and the midpoint is 15 millimeters, the radius here. So click here in this point, make this sketch here. You can close the sketch here using this two line. And go to dimensions. The distance here, 3 millimeters. The distance between this line and the midpoint, 15. And go to constraint, select horizontal, vertical. Select this point and this point here. And now leave the sketch and go to Revolve. The angle here, 360. And press OK. Now we will create this hole. This hole has 5 millimeters of diameter, and the distance between the center of this hole and the midpoint is 10 millimeters. So select this face and go to create a sketch. Select a circle, make a circle here with 5 millimeters of diameter, and go to sketch dimension. The distance here is 10 millimeters. Make sure that the center of the circle is vertical horizontal with the midpoint. And leave the sketch and go to Pocket. And here the type, select through all and press OK. Now we'll make the others 3 circles. So to make this, we use the circular pattern. So here, select the polar pattern. It is the same thing of the circular pattern that we use in the other CAD programs. And here, the transform, we will select transform to shapes. And click here to add features and select the circle. And the axis, the base is Z. And the occurrences here, it is the quantity is 4. And press OK. So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more. And see you in the next videos. Bye bye.